Liz, brand new street here. Damato?
Yes, Damato.
Damato. So we got a bunch of houses over here in Agawam. Liz is your gal to show you all of those places. So this one is number
11.
Oh, 11. It's right there on the
Number
door.
11 and 19 are available now.
Fantastic. All right. You want to go in and take a look?
Let's go.
Welcome to Agawam's newest subdivision, Damato Way. This subdivision offers 7 new construction homes with multiple different floor plans to choose from, courtesy of Breda Construction. One of the biggest benefits of new construction, aside from not having to do much for about 20 years, is the 1-year builder's warranty that comes with new construction. With the exception of the one ranch offered in the subdivision, all these homes are 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, completely open floor plans, including a large primary bedroom with walk-in closet and ensuite bath, with a stunning tile shower and double sinks. You will find hardwood floors throughout the entire first floor, beautiful quartz countertops, and everyone's favorite feature, soft close cabinets and drawers. One of my favorite features is the gas fireplace, ambiance at the flick of a switch. With approximately 2,400 square feet of living space and a full basement with high ceilings, ready and able to be finished, these beautiful homes are a home run.
Wow, the builder here just does a phenomenal job. The finishes are great. I've seen several of his communities and they just look fantastic. If you want the scoop on this house or any of the properties here in this development, Liz has got all of the details. And hey, you want to get pre-approved, reach out. I'm here to help. There may even be some 2-1 buy down money available for these properties to help get you in there with lower payments and lower rates for the first 2 years. So hit me up and let's talk. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this has been your local look. We're out of here.